6th November 2021, I let you see a very interesting scene of the city of Trento. It's a northern city of Italy. The sunny day, as I have said, I will let you see all the city. But let's see one thing very interesting. These ducks. Let's see the ducks. The ducks are very heavy of Trento. These ducks are in the park in front of the railway station. These ducks are really very big, 2 times big than a normal duck. Let's come with me and I see you. For example, this is the duck. Let's see. Make a big shot of the duck. This one is the big one. It's not a normal size. So if you see that duck, these are a type of a species. Definitely, it's a different type of duck. I haven't seen in all Italy such heavy ducks here. And let's see, come with me and I will see you. This one, for example, this duck is a normal. This is a normal duck. The normal size, not heavy like an extraordinary size. And I give you another expression of this area where the ducks live. Let's see, come with me. If you make a closure of these 2 ducks, you will see that they are really very gigantic. They are very big, and in the size and in their style of living is definitely like that of other ducks. But as you are looking at these ducks, I haven't seen till now. I'm staying here for some time, and I haven't seen them flying. But it also seems a bit difficult that how can they fly with such weight and with such great size. So let's come inside the park and see other things. I have told you already. I am in Trento, the north city of Italy. Come with me. Have a nice day.